4. In training had a surgical patient getting toes amputated because of diabetes. All shift he kept getting insulin but his sugars wouldn't come down. Just didn't make sense. Eventually found a lot of candy under his pillow. Not sure if it's dumb or just sad. 5. Radiology told me about handing orange ear plugs to a patient for an MRI and he popped them in his mouth and swallowed them. 6. I discharged a Russian patient after he had been hospitalized for alcohol-induced liver damage. As I was getting him out the door I impressed upon him the importance of avoiding alcohol and he asked me, sincerely, if vodka was considered alcohol. 7. Not a doctor but was an administrator at an ophthalmology clinic. A patient had to be prescribed some pills before his eye surgery. He returns 5 minutes after his consultation super concerned, as he didn't know how he was going to get the pills into his eyes. Our nurse suggested that he try swallowing them. 8. I had a PT straight up tell me they were giving and selling their pain medication away to friends. It was their reason for needing frequent refills.